Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the presentation at fermentation. Zymurgy is the science of fermentation. Its scope is food, biochemistry, wine, alcohol, and ethanol. Fermentation in industry is carried out by fermentative hydrogen production and microorganisms. Microorganisms include molds, fungi, yeast, froth foam, and bacteria used in fermentation process today. Glycolysis is a form of fermentation. It is a process by which the living cell is able to obtain energy through the breakdown of glucose and other simple sugar molecules without requiring oxygen. Examples are formation of acetic acid and alcoholic fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation is the simplest type. In it, the 6 carbon glucose molecule are only partially broken down to 2 molecules of the 3 carbon sugar called lactic acid. The process of lactic acid fermentation using glucose is summarized below: homolactic fermentation and heterolactic fermentation. In homolactic fermentation, one molecule of glucose is converted to 2 molecules of lactic acid. In heterolactic fermentation, one molecule of glucose is converted to one molecule of lactic acid, one molecule of ethanol, and one of CO2. Fermentation is a process by which food or drink goes through a chemical change caused by enzymes produced from bacteria, microorganisms, or yeast. Fermentation is the decomposition of foodstuffs, generally accompanied by evolution of gas. Fermentation changes the appearance, flavor of food and beverages such as beer, butter, milk, cheese, vinegar, yogurt, liquor, and wine. In wine, for example, yeast enzymes convert grape juice sugars into alcohol, while in rum, the enzymes convert sugarcane molasses into alcohol. With whiskies, a mash is made from cereal grains such as corn, rye, or barley, and enzymes convert grain starches into sugar, which is converted by yeast to alcohol. Beer. Raw materials for beer are grain such as barley, wheat, corn, rice, oats, potatoes, or rye. The manufacturing of beer is carried out by germination, drying, pulping into a mash mixing with hot water and some fermentation at 62 to 67 degrees C. After being further treated, liquid transferred to the fermentation vessel where it is added to mixture. The yeast eats sugar present in the mash and converts to CO2 and alcohol fermentation for a few weeks, and beer is ready, filtered, and consumed. Properties: most beers have an alcohol content of 3 to 5% by weight and a protein content of 0.3 to 0.6% with a pH of 4. The quality of beer is judged by its aroma, taste, appearance, formation, and stability of the foam. Wild or gushing beer is a defect observed as a rather violent overfoaming from the bottle immediately after the opening. Uses: high calorific value used in weight gain, replacement of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Contributes to mineral requirement of body, B complex vitamins. Appetite inducer and as a treatment of diseases such as heart failure, high blood pressure, kidney and liver ailments. Quality demerits: unpasteurized beer is harmful to health. Classification of wines: by alcohol, the ethanol content, place of production, color, Method of production, variety of grape or fruit. Table wines, wine with less than or equal to 14% alcohol, usually consumed after meals if sweet or before meals if not sweet. Other classes are white desert wines, red desert wines, still wines, sparkling wines, the French champagne, fruit and berry wines, naturally flavored wines, sweet wines, dry wines, etc. Preparation of wines. The raw materials for wines are grapes, rice, mead, drink made from honey, pickles, olives, etc. An interesting fact about fermentation of wines is that enzymes that break down sugars into wine become inactivated when the level of alcohol reaches about 14%. This is the reason why wine or any alcohol product created by fermentation is less than 14% alcohol. Processing. Grapes run through a crusher. Maceration. Separation by soaking, but no crushing of seeds. Removal of parts of stem. Resulting pulp is pumped to tanks where sulfuric acid is added to check the growth of wild yeast. Process of fermentation in vats and temperature kept below 30 degrees C. CO2 is evolved carrying the stem and seeds to the top, allowing extraction of color. When fermentation slows down, juice is bumped out of the bottom of the vat and back over the top. Finally, run into closed tanks for a period of 2-3 weeks. The yeast ferments the remaining sugar. Move to different vats and fermented at a slower rate. Classification, pasteurization. Pasteurization is destroying harmful bacteria by heating to make it safer to drink and improve its keeping qualities. The refrigeration, sunlight, UV light, ozone, agitation, aeration, chilling, frozen, and packaging. Uses of alcohol. Duty paid pure alcohol is used only for medicinal, pharmaceutical, flavoring, and beverage purposes. Duty free alcohol is low priced and hence has increased consumption. Alcohol is second only to water in solvent value and is employed nearly in all industries. It is also raw material for making numerous chemicals such as acetaldehyde, ethyl acetate, acetic acid, ethyl chloride, etc. Thank you for watching.